Hey, what's up? It's CMC Stock Holders. Welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the healthier choices management stock chart. What's the price prediction? Is the price of the HCMC stock move up or down, my friends? In this video, we discuss and the details. Keep watch this video for more details. And please, my friends, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest news about HCMC stock, my friends. And remember, if you have any type of questions about HCMC stock, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the next video, my friends. It is time the first of all the price chart of the HCMC stock available on the screen, and you can easily predicate the next move of the HCMC, my friends. From the previous last 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, the price of HCMC is continuously fast down. You can see here fast down occur in the HCMC. The blue line represents the HCMC. And now if you look at the currently condition, so the currently also HCMC stock is going down. The currently situation you can see here from this chart. But you can see here from the previous chart, from the you can see here now at this time, that is the 2021 move, my friends. That is the 2022 predication. The master of the stock predicated HCMC stock on this price. And in 2021, you can see here, that is why HCMC stock is the trending stock in 2021. You can see here absolutely a good jump occur in a HCMC in 2021, and 2016 is the pumping year of the HCMC stock. And now the masters of the cryptocurrencies and master of the stock predications predicate the HCMC stock or the 2021-22 move. You can see here, my friends, let me show you in the details. That is the 2022 move of the HCMC. So absolutely not a quick jump occur in the HCMC, but gradually if you look the average level change occur in the HCMC, so the average level change is going better, my friends. So I recommend for everyone. You can see here 10x, absolutely I think 10x profit you will get from HCMC stock. What you think about that? And here is the price update of the HCMC, the 2021. I think that's the tomorrow price of the HCMC stock. Tomorrow price is minimum price is 0.00134 USD dollar, and the maximum price is 0.00158 USD dollar is the maximum and minimum price of the HCMC. And here you can see here the more prices, the 15 June, 16 June, 17 June, 18 June, 21, all the month price of HCMC stock you can see here. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.